With the fourth industrial revolution underway, we are beginning to see the intersections between the physical and digital worlds, as well as bilateral communication from biological and mechanical inputs. Human and artificial intelligence are collaborating to drive safety and efficiencies while pushing boundaries on innovation to accomplish previously unthinkable possibilities. Advanced manufacturing sits at the heart of these step changes in innovation and artificial intelligence to create smart factories that are autonomous and dynamic. Industry experts and investors alike are seeing opportunities transcend well beyond manufacturing in a tangible way. While automation in the factory has been around since numeric controllers in the middle of the 20th century, adoption of automation has been heavily skewed within a few industries. Many of us envision the use of robots for automobile manufacturing or for use in environments that are hazardous for humans. However, with the latest step changes in innovation, the end markets and applications are accelerating from manufacturing to services and from working autonomously or working in collaboration with humans. Logistics is a key example where innovation in sensing and artificial intelligence have recently driven a robot revolution. Although labor shortages in distribution centers were problematic pre-pandemic, COVID-19 has highlighted the need for robotic solutions across various sorting, storage, and fulfillment applications. Agriculture is another potentially emerging example, utilizing robotic applications in vertical farming, harvesting, and even crop protection. Meanwhile, we believe healthcare will be one of the fastest growth areas in robotics across a number of applications, including nursing services, surgical assistance, biotechnology, and laboratory processing. Some of the more unique applications of robots were recently on display at the Tokyo Summer Olympics, with robots used to meet, greet, and direct athletes, as well as using robots to retrieve javelins and other equipment for athletes. 2020 marked an important industry milestone as it was the first time over the last decade that industrial robot sales were predominantly outside the auto industry in North America. More recently, the second quarter of 2021 marked the highest seasonal volume and value of robot sales ever, with the share of non-automotive sales representing approximately 56% of total demand. Not surprisingly, historical penetration in robots has been geographically focused on countries with sizable automotive supply chains, such as Japan, China, Korea, Germany, and the US. As end market applications and productivity gains from automation expand, we could anticipate more widespread adoption of robots across many more international markets. With the addressable market in the early stages of revolutionary growth, the investment implications are far-reaching. First and foremost, what was once a heavy cyclical industry tied to capital expenditure cycle of a few large manufacturing end markets is beginning to see green shoots of structural growth. This improved earnings visibility should potentially bolster asset valuations for the existing industrial robot supply chain. While we believe numerous end markets and countries will benefit from these advancements, investors' focus will likely remain on the key robotic manufacturers in Japan and Europe. The potential impacts of these technological advances are multifaceted, but what is clear is that they will be disruptive to the status quo. We are at an important inflection point that we believe will mark the beginning of a robot revolution.